In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send a clean monthly financial report directly from Excel into an email using just VBA and HTML. And if you want to skip the coding and get the full file ready to go, download it free from a VBA automation vault. Link is in the description. All right, let me show you how this automation works in real time. We'll click the email button. And with just one click, we load the financial data and the email is instantly formatted and ready to go, styled and dynamic. With change percentage green when it's plus and red when it's negative. This was example 1. Here you can see revenue, profit and margin all going up. Let's have a look at the other examples. We have a sheet here with 3 examples and we just did example 1. Now let's try with example 2. I have 3 buttons here that inserts the examples. So now we have example 2 and we try click again. And here we have the second example. So you can see the HTML table is dynamic, how many rows we have, and also is formatting the changes with red for negative and green for positive. And the rest of the table is with black text. Our example number 2, a more realistic report with both gains and losses. You'll see the condition format in action. Now let's push further with a full report, more metrics, more rows, and real world examples. Let's look at example number 3. This has more rows. Let's see if our code can handle this. Here you can see it has all the columns. This is what makes it powerful. There's no attachments, no screenshots, just clean data sent from Excel straight into an email. You can automate reports, schedule them and link them to a dashboard, all powered by simple VBA and a little HTML. One thing I love about this is how the email mirrors the Excel sheet. What you see here in the spreadsheet, rows, formatting, values, becomes the polished summary inside the body of the email with no attachments. In the next part, we'll break down the code step by step so you understand what it does, so you can adjust it to your own needs. Hit that like button if you find this video valuable. Why not just attach a PDF instead, or an Excel sheet? That's a good question, but this solution is very good if you want to send it out with no extra clicks or attachments. And managers love this because then they can look from their phone and get instant insight from their businesses. Try it out in your job or your business today. Now let me walk you through the code step by step so you understand exactly how it works and how to modify it for your own reports. Alright, we start by connecting to the report sheet where our financial data is stored. Then we detect how many rows and columns are used in the sheet. This makes the script work dynamically even if the report grows or shrinks. Now we define the full range containing the table, from the top left to the last used cell. This line starts building the HTML string that will render the table in the email body. Then we build the header row using a loop and wrap each column name in TN tags with a style background. Here's where we loop through the data rows. For each cell we insert a TD with the value. In column 4, which is in the change percentage, we apply condition formatting. Red if it's negative, green if it's positive. For other columns, we just build a normal table cell with borders. After building all rows, we close the HTML table. Now we construct the full email body, starting with a greeting, the HTML table, and a signature. This section creates the Outlook email, inserts the subject, sends the HTML body, and open it as a draft. We use .display to preview the email before sending. Change it to .send if you want it to go out automatically. And finally, we clean up our Outlook object to free up memory. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more Excel automation tutorials just like this. Make sure to check out my other tutorials here on my channel. The full file is free inside the VBA vault. Update weekly with tools, templates and shortcuts like this. Let me know in the comments what you want to automate next. Alright, so now you've seen how easily it is to send a dynamic HTML report straight from Excel. No attachments, no formatting mess. But this is really just the beginning. If you want to take this further, I'm talking full automation with drop-down filter attachments and dynamic email content, contact forms from all your contacts, email templates, and track sent emails. Complete email automation used from scratch. Then check this video out. It's a step-by-step walkthrough and it's already helped over 2,900 people build real solutions for their businesses or their job. You can find the link in the description or right here on the screen.